Hey, ketchup enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a new fascinating fact about ketchup. Ever wondered how ketchup went from medicine to burger buddy? Well, get ready for a wild ride as we uncover the surprising journey of ketchup. In the 17th century, ketchup wasn't the sweet tomato goodness, you know. It all started with a funky fish sauce called keycap in Southeast Asia. English traders stumbled upon it, and the rest? A wild ride. Fast forward to the 19th century, where Dr. John Cook Bennett turned tomatoes into medicine. Medicinal ketchup, curing everything from indigestion to diarrhea. Who would have thought your burger topping had the medicinal past? But wait, there's more. As time rolled on, ketchup got a makeover. Tomatoes took the spotlight, sugar and vinegar joined the party, and voila, the sweet and tangy ketchup we adore was born. The medicine bit faded away, but ketchup's popularity? Through the roof! By the 20th century, ketchup was a kitchen superstar worldwide. From burgers to fries, it was everywhere. The ketchup craze took over, and we've been hooked ever since. If you're loving this fascinating ketchup fact, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating facts. Until next time, stay curious!